Welcome to Ucanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S here. I'm going to go over the process to replace your horn. So you have two horns on this vehicle, of course, on the front, one on each side here. And I'm going to just show you how you replace it. So the front bumper has been removed, and that gives us easier access to be able to replace the horn. So you need a T40 either here, or you just need an 8mm right there to undo it there. So got my T40 in there, and then being able to a T40, if you don't have a small drive, you can use a 1/4-inch wrench to get on there and to get things to work out. This is taking the horn off with the whole bracket, or like I said, you can just separate it and unhook it there. So now we have our horn off, and being able to just unhook these connectors, which they're spade connectors, so you just pull them back, remove them, and being able to replace it. Get your new one, and then being able to take your spade connectors and line them up, press them in there until they lock on. And now being able to bring your horn back in there, whether you undid it here or undid it up here. And now we just tighten the bolt back up. Okay, it's all tightened on there. You're good to go. Then, if that's all you need to replace, go ahead and put your front bumper back on. Thanks for watching Ucanic, where you can be the mechanic.